Welcome to Dublin. I'm your host, Khadija Amari, and I'm exploring all the hidden gems of this popular Central Ohio city, from food to entertainment and everything in between.
This month, it's all about the sweet stuff. We'll be checking out all of the delicious confectionery treats, sprinkles, icing, and all being served up by Our Cupcakery.
So come with me and let's explore all the things that only Dublin has to offer. These cupcakes are enough to make anyone go cup crazy. Our Cupcakery has been baking up delectable treats to all of Central Ohio, and nothing is left out at this local Dublin bakery. Cakes for any occasion, cookies, chocolate-covered confections, and build your own cupcakes that are sure to put the icing on top of this delightfully sweet escape. So whether you're looking for a sweet treat or baking and design classes for kids and adults, you can find it all here at Our Cupcakery. I'm here with Linda Kick, owner and operator of Our Cupcakery. So Linda, can you tell us a little bit about what inspired you to start your own bakery?
Sure. Well, I got my Easy Bake Oven when I was 8 years old, and that Christmas, I of course had to demonstrate in front of the family how to use that. And then I really enjoyed baking, but I also like math. So I have a degree in hotel restaurant management. Kind of got sidetracked a little bit for about 20 years teaching and administrative type of jobs in higher education. And then I had this idea for a cupcake grid. So that was sort of the catalyst that started the business. And so we created the grid and we sell the grid. But because of my teaching background, we wanted to really include teaching and learning as part of our business. So our business really is based on the meaning of life is to find your gift, and the purpose is to give it away. So we found our gift. We love to bake, and then we do our classes to give it away.
Okay, perfect. So your family is part of the bakery here. How did they get involved?
Well, that's a good question. My husband, when I first started the business, it was out of our house, and he said, great, go ahead, do a 1-year experiment. And then about 10 years later, he joined the business, where he's like, you know what, after washing all these dishes, I'm just going to come over and join, the business. And then our daughter is our wedding coordinator, and our son, he doesn't live here in the area anymore, but when we were starting the business, he was our official quality control person. So he did all of our tasting of all of our recipes and gave us feedback there, and he provides IT support.
So you offer baking classes here and design classes. Can you tell us what your favorite thing to teach is, and what do you see people struggle with the most?
Well, favorite thing to teach is how to put a really cool design on a cupcake super easily. And I'll show you how to do that. And then I would say the hardest thing is in our French macaron class. French macarons are a tricky cookie to make, and I would say that's the one that people struggle with the most.
It has been such a sweet experience here, Linda. Thank you so much for having us.
Well, thanks for coming, and look forward to seeing you again.
We'll definitely be back.
Great.
It's sweets all day long here at Our Cupcakery, and I am here for it. There is nothing that can't take your sweet tooth on a delightful joyride, from cakes, cookies, and more. I can't wait to come back here, and I hope you're as excited as I am to continue exploring everything that Dublin has to offer. I'm your host, Khadija Amari. I'll see you next time.